In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and connect an email address to your GoDaddy domain name, an essential task for establishing a professional online presence. Let's dive into the process, which is straightforward and surprisingly easy. First, you'll want to log into your GoDaddy account, head over to their website and enter your login credentials. If you've forgotten your password, you can use the Forgot Password option to retrieve it. Once logged in, you'll be greeted with your account dashboard where you can manage your domains, emails, and more. Next, navigate to the Email and Office dashboard. This is where you can manage all the email-related services offered by GoDaddy. You can usually find this option in the menu or by using the search function on the dashboard. This area allows you to control everything pertaining to your email setup, so feel free to familiarize yourself with the layout. Once in the Email and Office dashboard, you'll need to select Professional Email. This option helps you set up email addresses that match your domain name, making your communications look more official and credible. Click on this option to proceed with choosing an appropriate email package. Now it's time to purchase an email plan that suits your needs. GoDaddy offers a range of plans, from basic to more advanced features depending on what you require. Take a moment to review the available plans and choose one that matches your business or personal needs. You can usually upgrade or change your plan later on if your requirements evolve. With a plan selected, your next step is to add a user or account. This involves specifying who will be using this email address, be it yourself, an employee, or a team member. Input the necessary details and prepare to connect this new user to an email address under your domain. You'll then be prompted to choose your domain. GoDaddy will list out all the domains associated with your account, allowing you to select the one you'd like to link your new email address to. Simply click on the desired domain to associate it with your professional email address. In the field provided, enter your desired email address. Ensure that the email ID you pick is appropriate for your purposes. It should reflect the nature of communication you're planning, be it formal for business engagements or more casual for personal use. With the email address set, it's time to create a unique password. Make sure it's strong, secure, and something you can remember. Consider using a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security further. Next, provide an alternate email address. This is crucial for recovery options and ensures that you have a backup point of contact in case you ever encounter issues with your primary email. Choose an email you check regularly. Then, you'll select the appropriate account permissions. Decide on the level of access rights the user should have. This is pivotal, especially for business environments where different individuals might need varied levels of access depending on their roles. Finally, all that's left is to complete the setup. Review all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied, hit the confirm button, and just like that, your professional email address is ready to go. Congratulations, you've successfully created and connected an email address to your GoDaddy domain, enhancing your online professionalism.